Hi there, I'm going to create a standard Windows Form Control library application running on .NET Framework. WinForms. Here is the .NET Framework. Clicking Next. I will choose not the latest version, just for the test. Create. Okay. Here is the sample app. Let me check the toolbox. As we can see, only the native .NET components are here. We want to bring the Telerik ones to the toolbox. So I will launch the toolbox configurator for .NET. I already have pre-installed the latest Telerik UI for ASP.NET WinForms version, and we'll select it and we'll click Finish. This will restart Visual Studio. And I bet that the toolbox will be still empty. Yes, the Telerik UI components are not here. This is because the .NET framework is 4.7.2, but the WinForms components by Telerik are built against 4.8. That is why we have to update the app to a hard version of .NET Framework, for example, 4.8. Yes. Save. Toolbox is empty. I will try to rebuild the app. Toolbox is still empty. And now I will try to repopulate the toolbox. Finish. And now the toolbar is populated successfully with the Telerik components. Here we go. And we have the Telerik registered in the reference tab. Just another tip is that you can add the components manually here from the right-click context menu, choose items in the general tab and navigate it to .NET Premise components, and you can browse to the Telerik assembly and add manually the components.